Hey y'all, today we're playing Dress to Impress. Right now I'm as Kami Healy. Let's just change that. Today's tutorial not outfit, hair combo. Some reason I'm not okay. There. Today I'm showing you a hair combo in Dress to Impress. I already have this. That's what I just named it. It's just the exact same hair. First, you need this hair right here. Wala siya, of course, like the rotation and stuff. Anyways, this one have adjustment. This hair right here. This is a cute hair. See, go to the adjustments and find scale. Go to only 30. Only just you can see like that. Okay. Get this hair. Toggle it only bangs, and go to adjustment. Go rotations, and only Y for 44. That's the rotation, no position. That's all for today's hair combo hack. You just want to add things, add accessories, you can do it. This is of course a brown outfit, guys. Ignore that 2 in the back. I'll show you this, of course, makeup face the next short video I will make the next day. Bye.